Ka- uh, I'm not good at holding back laughter, unfortunately.
One, comment nous y est? Je dis à me une vidéo côté Eduardo pour essayer de deviner quelques mots créoles et moi pour essayer de deviner quelques mots espagnols. Merci.
Okay. So I have to type. We type.
Okay, is that pronounced chalet?
Yes.
Okay, and chalet, what could that mean? Is it a store?
No.
Ah.
Oh, you need
Okay.
tips.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some hints. Some hints. Is it a place?
No, it's like it's like in the hair.
It's in the air.
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Can
in the
say
air. So if it's in the air, does it fly in the air?
No, it's connected to the sun.
It's connected to the sun and it's in the air. Well, is it wind?
No, but it's kind of you can continue. Maybe you're gonna find it.
So you say it's in the air. Is it in the air like it looks like it's floating in the air, but it's really in space? Or it's like actually in the air on Earth?
Okay, it's like everyone feel it, you know?
Everyone feels it. Is it the heat?
Yay, good job.
Okay. I should have guessed it when you said connected to the sun. Should have guessed it, and we were just talking about it.
Yeah, I almost said temperature, and you were just like, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I would have hopefully gotten it.
Yeah, I was waiting for it for the last one, like temperature.
Let's do the next one. I'm ready. Is it casque?
Oui.
Okay, so casque. Is it helmet?
No.
It's not helmet. Okay, I guessed because Spanish. In Spanish, you say casco to say helmet.
What is helmet again?
A helmet, you wear it on your head, like when you're riding a bicycle for safety, to protect your head.
No. Well, yes. It is.
Yes, it does mean that.
Too. Yes.
Oh,
but
casque is that.
Yes, I was thinking of headphone. It's mean headphone too. So it's two words. You get it.
Okay. So I got one. I got one half.
Yes. Yeah. Well, I give you the point because it's two words. It means two things.
Oh, okay, interesting. So it was like Spanish. Casco.
Yes, casco.
Very cool.
Okay, so next one.
Bouteille.
Oui, good.
Is it bottle?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh mon Dieu, c'est trop facile. It's too easy.
In Spanish, it's botella.
Botella. Okay, so it's really close to Spanish.
To Spanish, yeah. It's and like French, right? It's bouteille also.
Yes, bouteille.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Bouche.
Yes.
Is it mouth?
Yes.
Okay. It sounds like that in French too, right?
In French,
La bouche?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
In Spanish, it's boca.
Boca, okay.
Boca.
I don't think you're gonna get this one. It's not from French, so.
Is it pronounced? Is it pronounced? Oh, it just reminds me of a word in Spanish. I'm not gonna say it, but it resembles it. It's cracking me up. Okay, is it I'm not good at holding back laughter, unfortunately.
You can do it.
Uh,
You can do it.
I'll try. I'll try.
Mhm.
Deep breath. Okay. Okay. Is it kagu?
Yes, kagu.
Okay. Um. Well, I'm not
Well,
gonna guess what it
it's
sounds like in Spanish. I'm gonna guess something entirely different.
yes. It's not. It's not a bad word. So
Okay. Let's see if I can just take a wild guess. Is it does it mean star?
star like in the sky.
Yeah, like a star in the sky.
No. It's
Yeah, I had a feeling it wasn't that.
it's related to your humor.
To like sense of humor, like when you find
No.
something funny, or how you're feeling, like your
How
mood.
you're feeling, your mood.
Oh, okay, your mood. Okay. Does it mean sad?
Yes.
It means sad. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
you guess everything.
Well, I mean, I got a hint, but yeah. With the hint, I was able to guess it.
Yeah.
So far, I'm doing pretty good. It looks like.
Yeah. So you can say kagu or twist. Like
Okay. Like
Yeah.
French. Okay.
okay.
Milat.
Oui.
Does
It's
it
from
mean?
Spanish. So,
Okay. Does it mean 1,000?
No. It's related to the skin color or something.
Oh, okay. So what's that word for skin color? There's a word that, like, what you have in the skin, and it
No,
starts
it's more like
with an M.
it's more like people with different ethnicity or
Mulatto.
yeah, mulatto.
Okay, got it. Okay, it's like the different backgrounds
Yes.
that are the mixed race. Okay,
Yes,
got it.
yes.
Got it.
Mulatto.
Yes, mulatto in Spanish.
Okay. And this one?
Regime.
Oui.
Is it like government?
Uh, I understand why you said, but no. No.
Okay. Okay, it sounds like regime in English.
Oui. Oh, okay.
Okay. So that's a little different from government. I should have just guessed regime right away.
Mm-hmm.
But it is, yeah, it's related. It's like
It's related to food, actually.
oh, it's related to food. Oh no, this is entirely different than what I was saying then. So if is related to food, but it's not food.
It's not food, no.
Is it ration? Like when the government gives food to the population in parts?
No, it's related to how you eat.
How you eat? Is it table manners?
No. So it's jet. The jet.
Diet. Oh, okay.
Okay, diet.
I got it. Yeah. Okay. The regime, like the way you organize what you eat,
Your
is
food.
your diet. Yeah, I get
Diet.
it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your program. Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Duet.
Yes.
Is it couple?
No.
Is it
It's
duet?
it's related to your body.
It's related
like
to the body.
Yes.
It's not a part of the body.
It is a part
It
of
is a part of the body. Okay.
Yes.
Is it feet?
Oh, it's kind of like go up. You can find it.
It's like it's part of the feet.
No.
It's not.
It's in the how do you say
Upper
it?
part
Upper part.
of the body. Okay. Is it chest?
No. It's
Okay.
three,
What is
no?
it?
Oh,
Yeah, I think that's 3.
finger.
Fingers.
Fingers.
Oh, okay. I get you.
Yes.
Well, yeah. I guess in English, the feet have toes, the hands have fingers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have a word for the toes?
Um, yes, for sure. It's uh, zote.
Zote. Okay. So duet
Zote.
is for the fingers of the hands, and then
Zote.
zote is
Zote.
for the feet. Okay,
Yes,
got it.
zote.
Jou.
Joue.
Jou is a
Yeah.
game.
No,
Ah, okay. I tried to
it's
link it to French too much.
yeah. It's related to. Well, it sounds like French too. It's related to um. I don't know how to say it. If you say it, you're gonna guess. So it's like when the sun go up and then go down and then go up, go down.
The
I don't know.
sunset and the sunrise.
No.
Is it the sun? It's neither one. Okay. Um, day. It means day.
Oui,
Jour.
day.
Yeah.
Jour.
Okay.
Yeah.
I should have guessed it right
uh,
away.
yeah.
Yeah.
This one. It's related to English.
Two.
Wait.
And it's related to English. Does it mean does it mean the number two?
No.
No. Okay. Is it also a part of the body?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Is it an object?
No, it's a way to say uh you have similarity with the person or the thing.
So, when you look like somebody, or or like when
Mm,
when
no.
there's something similar
Mhm.
between you and someone or something,
Yeah, and then you
you say
can
two.
say yes.
As like a like a double. Okay.
No.
Um, how many guesses do I have left? I
I
think I
think
have
one.
one. I have one left.
Mhm.
Is it? But it's. I was gonna say like sibling, but you said similarity to things.
Mhm.
Um,
Like you say something and I say oh.
Jinx.
No. So it's
Okay.
two, like two say oh also. Like me too.
Ah.
Too.
Okay. Not the number two. Me as well.
Right.
Okay. I
Yeah.
get you. When you have. Yeah. Okay. Yes. I got you. I get you. Now the hints make total sense. I should have probably guessed that one.
It's okay. Okay, my turn then.
Okay. So let's do Spanish then. Yeah.
Mhm.
All right. So here's the first one. Just gonna type it out here.
Okay. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
Nube?
Yes.
What? I don't know. Give me some it's
Some hints. Okay. So
hints.
it's in the sky.
Mhm.
This is in the
Stars.
sky. It's not that far away. It's closer. it's like in the atmosphere. And
Cloud.
when it rains, yes.
Cloud.
Exactly. It's cloud.
Oh,
Very
nube.
nice.
Oh,
Nube.
really? Nube.
Yes. How do you say that in Creole?
Nuage.
Nuage,
Yeah, like Spanish, like French. I mean,
like French.
nuage.
Okay. So this one is
Biento.
viento. Yes. Very good.
Do you say v or b? I know
V.
some b. Biento.
Yes. Yes.
Biento. 20.
For the most part, that's how people say it. What you said? Money? No, it's not
No,
money.
I said 20.
20. Oh, so close. No, 20 is 20. Sounds
20.
sounds a lot like it. Yeah, really
20.
sounds like it, but it's not.
Biento. Well, now I have some hints.
Okay, I'll give you some hints. Yeah. So this is actually something that I guessed when you first told me your first word. and you said it was, in the air. This was my first guess.
Oh no! I forgot. Oh, the wind. Ah,
Wind.
the wind. Yeah,
Yes.
the wind.
Viento is wind.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's
Very
like French,
nice.
like vin. Well,
Vent.
in
Yeah. Yep.
Creole, you say vin.
Okay. Next one. This one should be pretty easy.
Aire, aire,
Aire. Aire.
aire. Aire mean air. I don't know.
Air.
If it's
Yeah.
air. It's
Air.
air.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Aire
Cool.
is air. Very nice. So 3 for 3 so far. Very nice. Okay.
Arbol, arbol,
Árbol.
arbol,
Mm-hmm.
arbol. It's like a plate, right?
Nope, not a plate.
Oh, it's in the body.
No. Do you want a hint?
Yes, sure.
Okay, it's in nature.
Oh, I know what it is. Tree.
Tree.
Yes.
That's it. Yes. Very nice.
Arbol. Yeah, it look like French. Arbre.
How do you say it?
Arbre in French.
Arbre. Okay, I hope I pronounced it okay.
In Creole, c'est pied bois. Doesn't.
Pied bois?
Yes.
Interesting.
Pied. I know what it is. Foot.
Uh,
Oh no.
pied
It's
is foot. You were
What?
close. Pied
Ah.
is foot. But this is
Oh.
piel. It's a little
piel.
different.
Skin.
Skin. Yeah.
Yes. The skin.
Very nice.
Yeah. I know my Spanish.
You're doing good. Okay, this next one rhymes with piel.
Piel. Miel.
Miel.
Like honey, no?
It's honey. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same in French. Miel.
Same in French. How do you say it in Creole?
Miel also.
Also, okay. So easy. Easy. The last two at least were really easy.
Yes.
All right, this one might not be so obvious. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know.
We'll see. Lago.
Lago.
I keep thinking of a Creole word, lago. Maybe release.
Release? No.
I don't know what is. Some hints.
Okay, it's in nature, and it's composed of water, and usually it's nice to get inside. It's cool. Some people fish.
River. Oh, lake. A lake.
Lake. Yes. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, but French is lac, is it?
Yes, French is lake.
Okay, so let's go on to the next one. I'm gonna type it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Dedo.
Yeah. Yes.
Dedo.
The D, the second D is pronounced really soft. Dedo.
Dedo.
Yeah, it's barely pronounced. And when you speak really quickly, you might get away with just not even saying it.
Okay. Finger.
Yes. So
Yeah?
actually one of your words too. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice guess. How did you know that word already, or you just took a wild guess?
No, I just take a wild guess.
Wow. Very nice.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Maybe because it starts with D, I was like, maybe it's doigt, like dedo.
Yes. Oh
What?
yeah, that's right. In French, it's doigt.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we go.
Bolsa.
Bolsa. Perfect pronunciation. Okay, can you guess what it means?
Maybe a ball, like some.
It's a good guess, but no,
Yeah.
it's not a ball. No.
Bolsa. It is a vegetable.
No. So it's an object. I'll give you a hint. It's an object that you use to put things into. You put things in this object so you can carry those things around.
A bag.
Yeah, it's a bag.
It's a bag. A
Exactly.
bolsa. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
bolsa. Very
I
good.
would never know bolsa.
How do you say it in Creole?
A bag.
Yeah.
Which bag is like a purse or like a bag?
Oh, I get. Yeah, there are different words in Spanish for that too. How about just for like a grocery store bag? You know, when you
Ah,
go buy groceries and you put them in there.
so it will be sac. You know, sac.
Ah, okay. Sac. Okay, that's in Creole. And in French, is it also sac?
Sac. Une valise maybe a sac.
In Belize,
Valise.
valise. What's valise?
Valise. It's a bag.
Oh, it's a
Like
type
a
of bag.
purse. It's
Okay,
like yeah. It's in
gotcha.
valise.
Okay, let's do the last one.
Mhm.
Okay.
The last one. Cobija. Cobija. Cobija.
Nope, that's not how you say it.
Cobija. Cobija.
So the J in Spanish is not pronounced like a J or like a J. It's a H. It's like an H, like an English
Cobija.
H.
Cobija.
Cobija, exactly.
Cobija.
Yes.
Cobija. Um, it's like cowboy.
Cowboy? I don't know what cowboy is, so I can't confirm or deny.
uh, um, it's like a type of food.
Oh no, no, it's not a type of food. No.
I
Would you
think
like
a
a
lot
hint?
about food. Yes.
Okay, so it's something that you use when you're cold.
It's a coat? No, it's not.
It's
You
not a
told
coat.
me what coat
No, we had
it
coat
was.
before. No,
Yeah.
this is not coat.
Maybe the thing you use your
Last
glove.
guess. No,
Glove.
no, not gloves. No.
Uh.
I think that's three. I think that's three guesses.
Okay. Okay.
You said
Tell me.
gloves, coat, and what was the first one you said? No, maybe it
Uh.
was just two.
I think I say cowboy. Yeah, say cowboy.
And what's cowboy? I
Like
couldn't
those.
confirm or deny it.
It's like those people with arms on the movies. I don't know, cowboy. they have
Uh,
they have hat
oh,
and then
cowboy,
yeah,
cowboy,
hat,
a
cow,
cowboy.
hat,
Okay, yes,
cowboy.
I hear it now. I hear it now. Yes, just small alteration in the pronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay, so no, let's give you one more. Let's give you one more. Since it's the last one, it's the last word.
Okay.
To keep warm,
To keep warm.
which you don't need right now. I understand because it's really hot in Haiti. But if it ever got cold, you would put this on.
A pins.
Pants. Well, that helps too, but no. This will keep you even warmer. It's a blanket.
Oh, a blanket.
Blanket.
Okay.
How do you say blanket in Creole?
We have drap.
You don't need blankets in Haiti, so
Well,
no need for a word for it either.
actually, when you go in the mountain, it's pretty cold. It's not super cold, but it's cold. So they use like coat and stuff.
Oh, that's interesting. So it gets pretty cold up there, like because of the altitude.
It can be like 14 degrees Celsius
Oh, okay, yeah.
in the winter, like in December or February and stuff.
Okay, so we got all the words. Shall we do? Do you have time for a review of the words, really
Oh
quick?
yeah, it was fun.
Okay, if I can remember
I need to do
anything,
that.
I'll be amazed. All right, so I won't look at the words. I'll just hear you say them, and I'll try to remember.
Okay, chalet.
Heat,
Okay, casque.
It means headphones or helmet.
Yes. Bouteille.
Bottle. I knew that one already.
Bouche.
Mouth.
Yes. Kagou.
Oh, this is the one that made me laugh. But it means something completely different than what I was thinking. Kagu is that the fingers?
No, it's
No.
like with the mood, your mood.
Oh, sad. Okay,
Yes,
so you can say
sad.
kagu or triste.
Triste, oui.
Okay.
Triste. Yes. C'est-à-dire, oh, kagou. Milat.
Milat, mulata or
Espagnol.
mulatto.
Yes. Oui. Régime.
Diet.
Duet.
That's fingers.
Jour.
Day.
Yes. Tout.
Also,
Yes.
like two. Yeah.
Yes.
Interesting that it's just like in English for that word.
Yeah, I know.
It's
It
not
sounds
like
the
French.
same.
Okay, shall we do Spanish?
Yes. Well, I'll probably forget everything. It was hard.
Oh, these were a little hard, I know. But I know, I'm sure you'll get. I mean, there were a few that you already knew, so you'll get some. All right, nube.
Nube. uh. Vin. No?
No, it's not. It's not that. But that is one of the words. So the hint was that it's in the air, and maybe I said that rain comes from it.
Ah, okay. Cloud.
Yeah, cloud. Okay, the next one.
How do you
Viento.
say it? Bente? How do you say it?
Oh, nube is cloud. Nube.
Nube.
Mhm.
Nube. Okay.
The next one is viento.
Yeah, wind.
Wind. Aire.
Wind. What?
Aire.
Air.
Air. Yeah. Árbol.
Árbol.
Yes.
Árbol. I don't remember.
It's in nature.
Tree.
Tree. Very good.
Yeah.
Piel.
Skin.
Skin. Miel.
Miel. Honey. Sorry.
Honey. Yeah. Exactly. Miel in French too, right? Lago.
Lake.
Lake. Dedo.
¿Qué?
Dedo.
Deo.
The D is
dedo.
really soft. The second D is
Dedo,
really
dedo,
soft. Dedo.
Doigt.
Yes.
Finger.
Yes.
Finger.
Bolsa.
Bag.
Bag. Yeah. Cobija.
Cobija. No sé. Cobija.
The thing you really don't need in Haiti right now. In most of Haiti.
The blanket. The blanket.
Blanket. Yeah. Very
Yeah.
nice. Cool.
Yeah,
All right, we
yeah,
played the
yeah.
game. Good job. You did well.
Yeah.
It's quite a challenge, some of these.
Yeah,
I like
pretty
learning
fun.
it. Like, you know, how I always say this, like the similarities across languages is so interesting to me, so fascinating. Like even that Haitian Creole also takes from English. That's interesting, not just from French.
Yes.
Then it has its own words that are different from everything else. Like kagou,
Yes.
I don't think that's in French, as far as I know.
Yeah.
Merci en pile parce que vous regardez vidéo jusqu'à la fin. Et m'espérez nous aimer vidéo ça. Si nous aimez genre de vidéo ça, faites-moi connaître, mettez pouce bleu, partagez, commentez. Et puis abonnez-vous nous pour me faire plus de vidéos comme ça. Et me toujours inviter Eduardo à faire l'autre vidéo avec moi. Qui donc, now